Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to edit a treating doctor within the GoodX Desktop app. In this video, we will start on a data manager screen which is within the MedEps model. Click on the lists option on the menu bar. Click on a doctor's option from the list. The treating practitioner screen will open. From here, you are able to search for the desired practitioner to edit by clicking on the filter field and entering the applicable information. Click on a desired practitioner from the list. With the practitioner now selected, click on the Edit Record button. The doctor screen will open. From here, you are able to change the practitioner status from active to inactive, update dispensing license details, adjust the discount and write-off accounts, as well as the diary details and enablement. Click on the Edit Fixed Info button. The All Doctor screen will open. Now, you will be able to update the rest of the practitioner's details on the screen. Click on the Show Linked Roles button. The report screen will open. From here, you are able to take a look to which entity the practitioner is linked to and make adjustments accordingly. Click on the Cancel button to exit the screen without saving. Click on the OK button to save the adjustments made and return to the previous screen. Once again, click on the Cancel button to exit the screen without saving the updates made. Click on the Save button to save the changes made and return to the previous screen. For the last time, click on the Cancel button to exit the screen without saving. Click on the OK button once satisfied with all the updates made and return to the Treating Practitioner screen.